Rev up your ride with the ultimate tech upgrade. Today, we're diving into the top 5 CarPlay screens that transform your driving experience. Forget clunky installations and outdated interfaces. These devices deliver wireless connectivity, breathtaking visuals, and crystal clear audio that make every journey unforgettable. Whether you're chasing safety with 4K dash cams or craving the ease of voice control, this review is your roadmap to the best in-car tech. Buckle up for an electrifying ride through innovation and style that'll keep you entertained, informed, and ahead on the road. Number 1. Imagine a dashboard revolution with the HAUXIY Q9S. This 9-inch wonder brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right to your fingertips, turning your vehicle into a smart cockpit. Its voice control lets you manage calls, texts, and music with Siri or Google Assistant while driving. Enjoy cinematic clarity with a 4K front camera and secure backup vision with a 1080p reversing camera for safe parking. The mirror link displays your phone's content on the bright screen, while the built-in stereo and FM tuner provide an immersive audio journey. With connectivity options, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and accessories like a 64GB TF card and extensive cables, installation is a breeze for all car models. This powerhouse combines safety, style, and performance to elevate every drive. Number 2. Step into the future with the IIWEY IK7, a sleek 10-inch portable car stereo that redefines in-car entertainment. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it delivers seamless connectivity so your favorite apps, maps, and music are always at your command, just a voice command away. Enjoy visuals on a crisp 10-inch display with a 60Hz refresh rate and 1600x600 resolution, ideal for streaming and navigation. The integrated 4K dash cam and 1080p backup camera capture every detail, ensuring every journey is documented in ultra-high definition. Its design includes AirPlay and Miracast for effortless screen mirroring, while dual mounting options make it perfect for any dashboard. Number 3. Unleash audio excellence and smart connectivity with the PLZ 7-inch wireless double DIN car stereo. This compact yet feature-packed unit delivers both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, so your smartphone syncs automatically when you start your engine. Enjoy vibrant visuals on a 7-inch IPS touchscreen paired with high-fidelity sound from a built-in DSP and 4.2-channel amplifier that outputs up to 240 watts. The dedicated Bluetooth 5.3 module and extra antenna ensure clear calls and smooth streaming, while dual subwoofer outputs pump out deep bass. Steering wheel control integration adds convenience by keeping your focus on the road. Number 4. Upgrade to a cinematic driving experience with the XBAY 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen, a marvel in connectivity and clarity. This expansive screen supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via wireless connections, giving you control over your favorite apps and navigation tools without cluttering your dashboard. Its SuperLink screen mirroring lets you cast movies, videos, and more from your smartphone onto a display with 1600x600 resolution. Safety meets innovation with an integrated 4K dash cam and a 1080p waterproof backup camera. Multiple audio outputs, including Bluetooth, AUX, and FM, provide an immersive sound experience that transforms every drive into a concert on wheels. Designed for effortless installation with a self-adhesive mount, this device adapts seamlessly to all vehicles. Number 5. Revolutionize your ride with the Carpuride W904, a 10.26-inch HD IPS touchscreen marvel that brings smart driving to the forefront. Equipped with a 4K front dash cam and a 1080p rear camera, it captures every angle of your journey in stunning detail, even in low-light conditions. The dual dash cam functionality and loop recording ensure critical moments are recorded without missing a beat. Enjoy seamless integration with your smartphone via wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, featuring both AirPlay and SuperLink options. Its anti-glare design adjusts brightness for optimal viewing, while voice control, compatible with Siri and Google Assistant, keeps your hands on the wheel. With audio outputs including Bluetooth and AUX, this system delivers an immersive sound experience that makes every drive enjoyable. Universally compatible and easy to install, the Carpuride W904 is engineered for drivers who demand excellence in safety, style, and tech innovation. Fuel your driving experience by upgrading to one of these top CarPlay screens today. Smash that subscribe button, like, and tap the notification bell for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Check the product links in the description for exclusive deals and detailed specs. Your next adventure on the road starts here. Drive smart, drive safe, and drive in style.